So if you use NightCafe to make AI art, then you probably already know the credits are like gold. But what you may not know is that NightCafe has a built-in referral system that can literally earn you free credits every time your friends join or go pro. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step and how you can make the most out of it. So grab a drink, get cozy, and let's get into it. Okay, we're gonna start with where to find your referral link. So as you can see, I'm on NightCafe. All you do is go to creator.nightcafe.studio and you can sign up for a free account. You don't have to be pro to be part of the referral system or reap the benefits of it. So that's really great. So after you're signed up, you're gonna tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and you're gonna go to refer friends under this like blue box with this little money guy emoji. Okay, so this is the referral dashboard. As more people join using your link, which is right here, I'll get into that a little bit more right now, but the more people that join using your link, this is gonna have like a super long scroll. All this to say, this is where your referrals are gonna live. So this section here that says share your referral link, underneath that is the copy button. Like I said, we're gonna go back to it. So this is it. This is your unique link. Whenever someone signs up through that link, NightCafe automatically tracks it and gives you credit based on their activity. Okay, next. So what do me and my friends get out of it? You might be wondering. When someone signs up using your referral link, they'll get 20 free pro creations, whether they have gone pro or not. So that means they can make, and you can make, higher quality AI art right away. Not just that, it doesn't just stop there. You get credits every time they complete milestones. So if they publish art, join a challenge, or upgrade to pro, you earn even more. And if they go pro or stay subscribed, you keep earning credits every time their subscription renews. So it's pretty much like an ongoing credit income. Okay, now you're probably wondering, how do I use this link? What does this have to do with me? And I think as a creator, especially on NightCafe, this is so big because it's like a way to create for free. I don't know where I was going there, but now that you've got your link, don't just drop it randomly. You got to go in with a strategy. Here are a few things that actually work. So you're going to copy your link and share your art with the link attached. And just be mindful that Instagram and certain platforms don't hyperlink, so it's not a clickable link. So yeah, if you're on Instagram, you might want to use it in your bio or keep it in your bio and point people to the link in your bio so you can get free credits. And when you post one of your NightCafe creations on social media, it's as simple as copying this link and including it in the caption. Another way to do this is to invite people more directly. So NightCafe lets you send invites by email right here from the dashboard. This invite friends via email button. Very handily placed. And I think that's perfect if you have friends who love AI art but haven't tried it yet. And they're not really on socials. This is definitely the best way to get it to them if you're not like in a text group or something. Another way to do this is to post challenges or collections. So when you share a challenge or a collection, which a collection on NightCafe is pretty much like an album, the link automatically tracks new users who click it. So if you just share those links, another great way to earn free credits. And lastly, just another way to earn those credits and spread your referral link is to create a chat room. So if you make a chat room for your art group or art aesthetic, anyone who joins through your link counts as a referral. And of course, that just equals more credits for you. Okay, now tracking your progress. Once people start signing up, you can go back to your referral dashboard and you'll see everyone who joined through your link, what they've done and how many credits you've earned through their referrals. You can even prompt them, so basically sending a gentle nudge, a gentle reminder to do things that earn both of you credits, like joining a challenge or going pro, like I mentioned before. Now, here are some quick tips on how to earn faster. Post your referral link in AI art communities on Discord, Reddit, or Facebook. Another way is to share open challenges because those tend to attract the most new signups. So yeah, if you have like a big page or a very specific aesthetic that your profile or your art really leans into, you're going to want to create a profile, whether that's on Facebook, Instagram, whatever. There are even free scheduling tools to ensure that you don't get behind on posting. But yeah, just making sure that that link is easily findable when you do post your art. So whether that's directing them to click on a link in bio, or if you're posting to Facebook, including your referral link in the description. Very, very good way to get people to click on that link. Another way is to use the artist overlay when you're downloading images from NightCafe. So let me just show you what that looks like. Once you create an image, if you download it, or if you want to download it, there's an option for just downloading the plain image, or you can download with an artist overlay. So it just adds a short URL to go to your profile, so people are actually able to head there. And even if someone types it manually, it still counts as a referral. Just make sure to use the artist overlay. My downloads are just screenshots. So when you download with an artist overlay, it's going to show up like this at the bottom. And lastly, just a fair warning not to spam, because genuine posts about your work always translate better, especially get more clicks than just copy paste links. NightCafe's referral system isn't just a gimmick. It's actually one of the easiest ways to keep creating and to keep making AI art without really paying out of pocket. So log into NightCafe, grab your referral link, share your art, and earn some credits today. And if you're brand new, head to NightCafe, make a free account, and you'll earn 20 free pro creations to start experimenting with right away. Okay, so if you found this helpful, drop your referral link in the comments and maybe we can check out each other's art, and hit subscribe for more real NightCafe tutorials. This is Cassandra, and I've been happy to hang out with you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.